Hey y'all, welcome to my channel again. Today we are going to be making jerk chicken wings, and there you see I have a couple of wings that I am washing in vinegar water. So I've added about 2 to 3 tablespoons of vinegar. I've rinsed it once, and then I'm going to be rinsing it again, and then we're gonna drain and make sure that our chicken is dry. You can pat dry it with a paper napkin. And so there you see I'm using my knife to make little cuts in the chicken wings so that when you air fry them they are not so stiff and the meat is well cooked. So there I'm using some jerk seasoning. That brand is the Walker's Wood, and I'm using about 1.5 teaspoons. It's a little bit spicy, so you may want to use less. And then I added some sazon, and I'm going to be adding some ground cumin to give it that smoke flavor. And then I'm going to be adding some creole seasoning as well. You just season to your own taste, because sometimes it may be spicy, so whatever you think is best to your liking, you can do that. And so then I'm adding some smoked paprika to give it a little color, and once I'm done doing that, I'm going to be adding some onion powder and some garlic powder as well. I thank you so much for watching our channel. Please be sure to subscribe and turn on your notification so as you to not miss anything. And if there's something you'd like me to try, just let me know in the comment section. And so there you see I've added some black pepper and some Old Bay seasoning. And so now I'm going to combine all of that together, mixing it real well, rubbing it all over my chicken to make sure that it's well seasoned. And I'm going to be leaving it overnight to marinate, because I like when it's seasoned to the bone. So you just rub it all over your chicken. You can do that with chicken wings. This recipe will take about 25 minutes the most in the air fryer, although it depends on the type of air fryer you do have. So we're just gonna leave that overnight after we have done getting all the seasoning in. So the next day, now I got some olive oil in a can, and I'm just basting the bottom of my air fryer, and I'm gonna place my chicken in so they have some space. And depending on your size, you'll know how much chicken you can put in at any one time. And again, just to keep me encouraged, I ask you to subscribe and turn on that notification so you can see more content. So there you see I'm going to be using 360 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to set it to 20 minutes. And at 10 minutes, we'll come back and you'll see how the chicken looks after 20 minutes. And this is the 10 minutes interval. And when you get to 5 minutes, now we're going to be making the sauce just to baste the top of the chicken with. So there I have my jerk seasoning, some fish and meat sauce. You can maybe use the Worcestershire sauce if you have that. And I'm going to be using another jerk sauce that is found in the stores here. And I'm going to be adding a little ketchup. And then you just combine all those together and use it as a base for your chicken. So you see the consistency, it's not too thick, it's not too thin. So there, this is 15 minutes in or 16 minutes in, and I'm going to be just basting the top of my chicken. Just make sure you get that sauce all over the chicken to give it that nice jerk flavor. And you're gonna put it back in the oven or the air fryer and then give it an additional 3 minutes on the other side once this side is nice and golden brown. And thereafter, that last 4 minutes, I'm just going to turn them over. And baste that side as well. I should have used my tongs here, but nonetheless, I got it done with my fork. See, that one is giving me a hard time to turn over, but this is a quick and simple recipe. You can just come home from work and throw it on, and within 25 minutes dinner can be served. You can serve it with rice or bread like we do it, or whatever desires you have. I serve it with mashed potato too, just make some gravy. Meanwhile, this is cooking. So you see I give it an extra 5 minutes, but we only use 3 minutes. But depending on your air fryer, you may need a little bit more time. So there I'm showing you the finished product. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Bye.